Alright guys, you got the Q-Cat. We got another fuckery job from Land Rover, Range Rover. Oh shit, there's a nail in that tire. Oh no, there isn't. So yeah, these people can't figure out what the hell they want to do. This is a 2020 Range Rover Velar. And the last video I made, it wasn't pretty. But this one, see all these pieces of hardware on the floor, those little gray things? Yeah, they decide to hide the access panel under, well, the drain plug under this big giant plastic panel here. They give you no indication of where the drain plug is. So, drain plug is right there. And we're just going to... No, this wasn't loose. I already cracked this, if you're wondering. Now, if you have one of these, or if one of these comes into your shop... Son of a fucking bitch! That totally fucking missed. Look at this shit. Fuck you! Fuck you, Range Rover, with your fucking stupidity. Unfucking believable. Every time I do one of these things, I want it with oil on the floor. Anyway, if you happen to get one of these, I'm pissed. Oil filters for these are $47 retail. That's right, $47 for a cartridge filter. And at least it's right on top. Pull off the bullshit engine cover up there, and this bitch is still leaking. Fucking believable. Yeah, this panel's gonna get lost. But yeah, 47 bucks. So yeah, just a heads up on these. Expect oil on your floor when you do one of these. Because as you can see, I just did. Yeah, fuck you, Land Rover.